Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today I have a delicious one-pot meal for you straight from the Bayou. So make sure you have plenty of water to drink, because we're going to make some spicy vegan jambalaya. Let's dive in. Most jambalayas have some form of animal protein, but we're going to substitute ours for one of my favorite vegan Italian sausages. Slice 2 links into small pieces and set aside for now, because we have a lot more chopping to do. 1 yellow onion, 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and some celery to be exact. Chop each one up nice and fine and set aside. Grab a pot or pan large enough for all of our ingredients, put it on the heat at medium-high, and heat up a drizzle of olive oil. Toss in the sausage along with some Cajun seasoning and fry that up for about 5 minutes so it's all nice and brown. You may want to crack a window or turn on a fan at this point, because that spice can be fierce. With the sausage fried up, add in a little more olive oil before adding our onions, peppers, and celery. Saute our veggies for about 5 minutes and make sure to stir them frequently. Now let's spice this up with some more Cajun seasoning, thyme, and a dash of Cayenne Pepper. Mix that into the veggies and then add a can of crushed tomatoes, water, and a couple dashes of Vegan Worcestershire Sauce. Bring that to a boil, turn the heat down to medium-low, add some uncooked white rice to the mix, and put a lid on it. The liquid in this dish is going to cook our rice and ensure it soaks up all that amazing flavors we have going on here. Keep that simmering for around 30 minutes, but make sure to stir every 5 minutes or so. Rice can be a real pain in the butt when it sticks to the pan. Now that time's up, let's garnish with some green onions and plate this dish. With all these amazing colors, this dish is beautiful, isn't it? Our combination of vegetables really give this a lot of flavor, and that Cajun seasoning, whew, I need to grab some water. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for later this week when Zoe whips up some delicious cornbread to go with this. Like and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. How the heck do you get this thing? Oh, there we go. Now that I've destroyed it. Okay. Aha.